Yes, a very shameful. Because sometimes when you look at where Ghana is going, then you ask yourself, say, are the politicians different breed of people for Ghana? Are we saying, say, Sagleme, there was no case? Are we saying, say, our judges are fools that they didn't see any case and they were pursuing the case?
The two were facing trial for an alleged leaked audio recording in which Ovusampofu was heard plotting to instigate crimes and create unrest, ostensibly to lay the blame at the doorstep of the New Patriotic Party. Now also, former Cocoa Board CEO Dr. Stephen Okwabena Opuni and businessman Seydou Agongo were also acquitted and discharged of all crimes, criminal charges in the Cocoa Board fertilizer trial.
Affordable housing with this Transaglemi project, contract $200 million. Yes, was nobody since Saglemi Asembaye. Nobody is even asking about the contract anyway. Where Brazilian contract and your company $200 million. Two Osisia, who's Obia or Tia Broche, and now Dubai, China, baby. I said $200 million.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi, Xposed GHFM members. Subscribe, share, yeah, the tumpa now in Sakabi. You voted for a president. We voted for a man. A man that we thought said reset means real reset. But where Ghana is going to, I had to say everyday business. What am I talking about? I had to say the loss of Ghana, we don't even appreciate it. Yet to about 2024, 2025 by AG, Attorney General na ye choose no. Over 69 people standing trial for NDC was questioning na. Is it reset? Is this reset and a job as usual? If your Popia has things to say, you go to him.
Ghana fire affordable housing with this canon. Transaglemi project, contract $200 million. Yes, it is. Be wasumi dollars. Nobody since Saglemi Asembaye. Nobody is even asking about the contract anyway. Or your Brazilian contract and your coffee and $200 million. So on Sisia dying. Busobia or Tia Broche, and now or Dubai, China baby. I said $200 million. Yeah, they are more than Kadaya and Hinobesi. Maybe asking questions. Contract and I said me by any politicians. Nobody has even mentioned the contractor baby or what. Nipakro J 10% no 1 more year contract ni review. Edano phase 1 of Chronicle so to me a produce about 1,500 flats. A branch and 1,500. Yes, I review contract me a discarding big can. It's a Glemy project, so it's a clear indication of 10%. And I'm a Glemy project, I say no. And like a project, you choose a womb, but still not see a complete project now, eh? You can't see a complete project according to minister no reporter. Now no the court of parliament no. This year you sika $56 million. Sikani yenye almost $200 million dado. But you complete this year san ko pay sika $56 million. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? E o mami ana papa na ye si dan yamanwa. E ka dan yenye spend this ka wom dada. Anya ye. Yan san ko $56 million. Nobody is even raising this question. Ghana for a TikTok ni social media can in the Adani politics. Oh, na buy na unkowie. Yes, I money beko kowie. But your DC kind of way. Taglemi Crawford DC wom. Those questions. See, 2009 Apostle Mills started project. And Apostle Mills who didn't call it. 2012 no more project na no more contract $200 million. So, Masa Ghana me bought the canoes I am munim. Seriously, $200 million. Do you know how many factories are Seska will bet me see? $200 million. Any of them are contractor no. See 5,000. Contract them come and say phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. No mum. On the document no call parliament no more breaking it down to phases. First phase no.
Yes, a very shameful. Because sometimes when you look at where Ghana is going, then you ask yourself, say, are the politicians different breed of people for Ghana? Are we saying, say, Sagleme, there was no case? Are we saying, say, our judges are fools that they didn't see any case and they were pursuing the case? Adana yema law enko. People like that mass-locked woman who chopped the money and has run away. She's going to go scot-free. Isn't that kind of reset that we are talking about? Reset her bar, sabe, everyday job. John Mahama, this is not what you promised Ghanaians. So you said you are come to change what has been done over and over, but at the same thing over and over again that you are doing. What you say? Young question for NDC for Akwetiomo, young Kwambra.
The two are facing trial for an alleged leaked audio recording in which Ovusampofu was heard plotting to instigate crimes and create unrest, ostensibly to lay the blame at the doorstep of the New Patriotic Party. Now also, former COCOBOD CEO Dr. Stephen Okwabena Opuni and businessman Seidu Agongo were also acquitted and discharged of all criminal charges in the COCOBOD fertilizer trial, which has been running for about 8 years in courts. Now, Finance Minister Dr. Kasio Ataforson and businessman Richard Jappe's case in court was also dropped by the Attorney General. It did not end there, as all charges against former Second Deputy Governor of the Bank of Ghana, Dr. Johnson Isiama, who has been standing trial in 2 separate cases for his alleged role in the collapse of Unibank and UT Bank, were also dropped. The Attorney General and Minister of Justice, Dr. Dominic Ayine, also withdrew all charges against former Works and Housing Minister Collins Dauda and 4 others involved in the Saglemi housing project. Now, all charges against former SNID boss Dr. Ernest Thompson and 3 others were also dropped this week. In addition, the state dropped all charges against Oliver Bakavamao and 53 others in the Democracy Hub protest case.
The judiciary, are people that we should appreciate. The only place we can get justice is the courts. But it looks like the politicians can always chop our money and go scot-free. And let the process take its course to the full length. Fine. But Ghana Penna Sebe, when there's a change in government, all proceedings in what? Court is also what? Seized. But as we are talking right now, before it's still in court, do you know that? But who said MP before the end, they are still there. Court case may be on man, and it's a political what? Motivated. Why are they not cutting out? Say they are not a who he has sank to my Mahama. I'm telling you. Say where reset? And you reset. I thought, you were from the word go, you set example. One thing that you missed is when your so-called acting CEO or Babesia Sabe, Nanim Buniga or Muadia way or Kasati Abema, and then you let it go. That is the beginning of corruption. The second thing out here is to acquit people who have been called criminally charged. Say, go home. You have no case to what? Answer. Hey, judge, go and sleep. Where are we going as a country? Say, am I a loss down here, Juma? Ghana is doomed. And the way we are going, Ghana is doomed. Because, yeah, when me this car, now me titima, me 4 years, 8 years, there will be changing government. It's what? I'll be acquitted. So Ghana corruption no yet mean to said that. All our team, where are they? Well, we catch them say a job for the boys. They've stopped. They've stopped. Nothing is going on. And yet the same thing over and over. And you're recycling. And until we take the powers of the president away from him, forget it. The constitution needs to be changed properly. Matisa was set committee. I want to see which sectors of the constitution we are going to change. So yes, our sectors now. You forget it. I Xposed GHFM members. So subscribe. That is 2 pounds. I can be manual.
watching Expo GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.